Imagine the smell of a perfectly seared steak hitting a scorching hot grill, that deep, smoky, spiced aroma that makes your neighbors lean over the fence and ask what you're cooking. That's exactly what this blend does, every single time. This is Bold Grill Master, and it is about to change the way you season meat forever. Let's start with the backbone of this blend, black pepper. At 20%, it's the dominant voice here. Bold, sharp, and peppery in the best possible way. It gives you that beautiful bite that wakes up your taste buds the moment the meat hits your tongue. Right alongside it is garlic powder at 15%, bringing that deep, savory warmth that makes everything smell incredible and taste even better. Then we layer in onion powder at 12%, subtle, a little sweet, and it rounds out the garlic beautifully, and at the same 12% smoked paprika. This one is special. It's the reason your grill food tastes like it came from a real wood-fired kitchen. Rich, smoky, with the faintest hint of sweetness. Now we move into the heart of the Middle Eastern character in this blend, Cumin at 10%. Earthy, warm, slightly nutty, it's what makes shawarma taste like shawarma. Coriander follows at 8%, lifting the cumin with a citrusy, floral brightness that keeps the blend from feeling too heavy. And chili flakes, also at 8%, bring a slow, creeping heat. Not aggressive, just enough to keep things exciting. The supporting players are just as important. Mustard powder at 5% adds a sharpness and helps the other flavors bind together beautifully. Thyme at 4% brings a gentle herbal, slightly minty note that works wonderfully with beef and lamb. And finally, rosemary at 3% and allspice at 3%. Rosemary for that piney, aromatic depth, and allspice tying everything together with warm hints of clove and cinnamon. So here's everything that went into this blend. Black pepper 20%, garlic powder 15%, onion powder 12%, smoked paprika 12%, cumin 10%, coriander 8%, chili flakes 8%, mustard powder 5%, thyme 4%, rosemary 3%, and allspice 3%. Try it and let me know in the comments what you put it on first. I have a feeling it won't disappoint.